let's find out what's going to be happening at Universal Studios for year 2018 into 2019. Alright guys, if you haven't been here in a while, you'll notice that Universal has partnered with Sanrio and they've opened up the new Hello Kitty store, also with the Studio Animation store, and it's huge. You can see all this stuff, including your favorite characters, Hello Kitty, which is right out there right now. So like I said, they partnered with Sanrio and they have definitely, looks like they've mashed these things together. These are posters. These are Back to the Future Hello Kitty, Jaws, King Kong, E.T. They're just posters, but that's amazing. And this will run you $16.95. It's up to you. Okay guys, so we're in front of the Dreamworks Theater. Now Dreamworks Theater is going to be opening up June 15th with Kung Fu Panda and the Emperor's Quest. Now according to dailynews.com, and I'm going to read this because it tells a little synopsis about what the story is going to be, is it will, let's see, Poe is going to be heading out on a perilous mission through raging rapids, fighting river pirates, using his sweet kung fu moves, and discovering some awesome magic to deliver the liquid of limitless power to the palace. That's a lot of P's right there, a lot of L's. It sounds really cool, guys. It looks like they're going to basically be using projection mapping. It's 180 degrees screen, so it says that your seats are going to twist and react to what's going on. So I'm definitely excited. You guys need to check this out. It opens up June 15th. That's the first day. Come on down, check it out, Universal Studios. So there's not much to say about Hogsmeade right now. Everything's going to stay the same pretty much, but we will hope that the lights will be returning to Hogwarts Castle for summer nights, so we'll be getting that. And I'll also be back with Mike, so stay tuned for that, because we're going to be trying every single thing that's butterbeer inside Hogsmeade, and also maybe the Gilly water. Hopefully I could breathe underwater, that'd be great, right? But stay tuned for that, because we will be coming back and we will be making ourselves sick on everything you can eat at Harry Potter World. For now, just enjoy the eye candy of Hogsmeade. Whatever, Gryffindor. Yep.
Never stop talking about Potter's Quidditch skills. I'd really rather see for myself. Come now, move along. Don't dilly-dally. Ah, Gryffindor!
So guys, when you find yourself hungry, there's only one place to go, and that's the 3 Broomsticks. Let's head inside. Tram tour. Now what sets us apart from Orlando, even though Orlando is really cool, is the fact that we actually have a working studio that produces actual movies that you actually watch inside the movie theater.
So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skyline, and it's great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, just have them in your hand because we're about to return to Skull Island.
Hey, welcome to Skull Island, everybody. Let's do this thing. Park keeps the big waterfall coming at you. Watch out, you can't. Sorry, it's about to get wet. No, okay. And you know what? He'll fill the bill. I got two big guys.
So what's up, guys? It is time to hit the WATERWORLD show. Now, WATERWORLD has been here a long time, and I just kind of feel like it's kind of on the chopping block to make way for new things. Nothing's been confirmed yet. I don't know. Is it here to stay? Is it gonna go? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.
Hey, Boo, are you gonna talk to them first? You get no? Okay. Help me out.
You see that kid right there?
That one?
Yeah, he was distracting me. No, hey, it's okay. Jeez, we might actually need these people. Hey, do me a favor. Stay in one spot. Woo! I love this thing.
Jurassic Park the ride. Now we are just off the 25th anniversary where they did like a 2-day celebration of Jurassic Park. Even Jeff Goldblum showed up on Sunday to talk to the fans on a panel, so that was pretty cool. And if anybody has a video up of that, you should definitely check that out. Very informative. But it's kind of sad, guys, because this is the end of an era. Jurassic Park the ride was debuted in 1996, and on September 3rd of this year, it is going to end, and we are definitely going to be here to be checking that out for the last ride of Jurassic Park. But in 2019, they're going to reopen it as Jurassic World. And go check Jurassic World June 22nd in the theaters this year.
Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world, and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park. The Ultrasaurs in this room are the largest creatures ever to live on the Earth. Despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us. Ahead in Stegosaur Springs, our journey continues. Heavy armor plating protects these great beasts from savage predators of the period. controlled organic life, ensuring healthy growth and balance of our ecosystem. Next up here is dinosaur Kung. Unlike the vicious carnivores of
Life support systems will terminate in 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This concludes your tranquil journey through the world of the dinosaurs. Please join us again soon on your next visit to Universal Studios Hollywood.
Well guys, that's it from us from Universal Studios Hollywood. You want to see more of our adventures? Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and comment in the section below. And be ready, because you never know where your compass is going to take you.